Sarah from Cyclone Designs here. Today I've been playing around with my bloom recipe, which I'll pop in the comments for you all, which I've sort of derived from a couple of different people, Jen Neal being one and Tilly Douglas being another. So yeah, I'll pop that in the comments with the ratios and everything else. I've still got some neons mixed up from my last bloom video. What I think I'm going to do with this one though, I've also made up some black. I've been doing some with some Black Activator this morning, which I'm in love with. I think I actually prefer the black over the white, especially with paler colours. It just gives it a much better definition. I've actually popped a base down already. I'm not doing a massive pillow in this case. I've just put down enough to cover my tile. I'm using a 20 by 20 tile, centimetres that is, and it's on my cake decorating table. And what I'm going to do is actually a swipe. I thought, well, you know, why can't we do it as a swipe instead of a blow? Let's see what it does. So I'm going to use some of these neon colours that I've still got. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of lay these down a bit randomly. Now I was really thankful for Jen Neal's video, which is Res Art. Sorry, Jen, if I've gotten that wrong, because it really showed just how thick things were. Now I'm just going to put these sort of side by side, and I want to make them puddles to drag along with the activator across. I'm not doing any particular rhyme or reason with my colours. As I said, these were just ones I had already made up. Have no idea if this is going to work or not. This is purely a idea that popped in my head. Let's see if it works. I've got a saying, let's test a theory. So testing a theory is exactly what I'm doing. Where's the yellow? I think we'll go with yellow. And we'll just keep it a bit simple. Now I'm going to use the Black Activator. I'm going to use quite a bit, only because I want to drag it all the way. Now I've got a bit of cellophane that I've kind of cut to size, so we're just going to quickly do this, lay it down, and let's see what happens. As I said, no idea if this is going to work or not. I don't think my colours dragged very well. I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but I've got some pretty cells coming up here. I might actually, I think I pulled up white accidentally, which I didn't mean to do. Let's pop that down. Now, kind of just want to do no, there's too much white over this side. Well, that was a bit of a fail. Let's see what happens if we well, that didn't do squat, did it? What a bugger. All right, let's torch it and see what happens. See if we can get any of that colour to come through. A little bit to come through. But can't see no purple. Can see a tiny bit of pink, tiny bit of green. But well, I call that a fail. Maybe we should have put the colour all the way across and then just dragged the black. I'm loving the cells over here. That come up real good. Except now my yellow's falling off, which I really don't want. Let's see if we can lift this up. If you can hear what sounds like a child sucking, that's my dog. It's a bit pathetic. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to keep this off. Let's see if we can get anything else to show up, because I'm not entirely wanting to scrap it, but at the same time, because these are the best stretched cells I've gotten with regards to that yellow bit and the pink even. I want to see if we can kind of save it a little bit. I think the blue's all vanished. See if we can at least pull it all the way down. I have a staffy. He's a bit pathetic. He's also a very old man. He's 12. Some days I wonder whether he's going to last this epidemic or not. Now, whether that be because he drives me insane or not, I don't know. Okay, now we're sort of getting something here. The pink seems to be taking over, but I'm getting at least something out of the purple now, so I'm going to tilt it a little bit down towards the yellow. Let's see if oh look, the green's come up now. Try and tilt it this way a bit. Okay, I'm not hating this now. I think we seem to have rescued it somewhat. Just want to see if we can open up that purple a bit, but I've never had cells stretch this far before, so I'm stoked with that, hence why I don't want to lose it. I'd be devastated if I lost it completely. Just want to see if we can get rid of that black bit down the bottom. I'm hoping this is actually still in vision. If it's not, I think we'll be scrapping the video, but I'll just move this over here a bit. Now hopefully you can see that a heap better. Alright, I think that's about as far as we're going to get. So we'll pop it back down. Let me just clean off my hands a bit. Doesn't look like that purple's going to do anything more. Just see if we can... I think we're moved as far as we're going to move. I'll give it one more spin. All right. Pretty, bit pretty. As I said, not completely disappointed. I don't like this, but with any luck, something else will, I might be able to get something to pop through. Got to be careful. I actually have Glad wrap underneath. But this is the best like stretching I've gotten, so I'm stoked with that. As far as an experiment goes, not too bad. Wonder what we do different next time if we try it again. I don't know whether it was the cellophane that was no good or whether I needed to lay the colours across first, maybe, and then send it across. Maybe we'll try that next time. But all in all, you know what? We've got pretty colour, got good lacing. So it can work, it just needs some work. Maybe I need a different form to drag it across. So we'll see, we'll come back later and see what it sort of stays like. With any luck, something more pops through here. I don't think it's going to though. I might tilt it just a little bit longer and see if we can get it to go any further. I doubt it though, not without losing, you know, the pink and the... Yeah, no. I don't think there's enough paint on there to really let it go much further. All right, let's leave it alone. And we'll come back later and I'll do a bit of a close-up with it dry. All right, guys, we'll come back later on. So, left it a little while. Let's go around the tile. So, the yellow... I'm going to go each colour. So the yellow came up beautiful. I'm really pleased with that. That sort of swiped the best and then moved the best. The pink, I like this bit just here. That's gone real pretty. These have all stretched out a bit far, but at the same time, this is the first time I've actually got the cells to stretch like this. Now the purple, we did get a bit to come through. It's a shame about up here. Might do something with that after. See if we can embellish it, stick something there. I don't know. Because generally I kind of like it. The green, got them to stretch out awesome, which I've never ever done before. So I'm a bit pleased with that. I've got a tiny bit of the blue on the edge that stayed. Got some pretty runoff. But look, not sure how I'll do it next time, but I will definitely try it again at some stage. I think maybe laying the colours out completely, but then trying to swipe over the top might have been the better option rather than just the little blobs and trying to drag the colour at the same time. But you know what, for an experiment, I don't think it was too bad. Anyway, if you liked the video or, you know, any other ideas that we could do, I finally seem to have gotten my bloom recipe. As I said, that's in the comments below, or in the description below, I should say. But if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Trying to get as much done as I can, like everybody at this time. It's been a few days for me since I've painted. Today's the first day in a week or so. Not been much in the mood. I've got a husband that's on the other side of the country, And, you know, tough times for both of us being this far apart. We've been together nearly 20 years and we haven't been this far apart for ever, for more than 2 weeks at a time. Anyway, guys, you know what? The sun's shining a little bit. So make somebody smile today, as hard as it can be. You know, stick these rainbows in your windows, you know, that the kids are finding. Well, that's what they're doing here in Australia. I've seen some out this morning going for a walk, so I've got to do a rainbow to pop one in my window. But it puts a smile on their face. It's put a smile on my face when I've gone for a walk. So make somebody smile, have fun as much as you can, and we'll get through this sooner or later. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Bye.